Today we're taking a look at these Renegade Industrial 1600 Lumen under bonnet work lights. These lights offer conveniently compact engine bay illumination, with low-profile, ultra-lightweight bands that fit tight to the bonnet without sagging. They are the perfect sidekick if you're working on your car in your workshop, shed or garage, so you can see in those hard-to-light spaces and free up your hands. Included on each base are heavy-duty magnets, making them suitable for a variety of mounting solutions. Plus, with the twin 360-degree rotating hooks, you can adjust the angle of the light to suit your task. The two stretchable silicone bands offer true versatility no matter the task, designed to fit bonnets from 1.35 meters to 1.7 meters. This makes them the perfect one-light solution for everything from small hatchbacks to heavy commercial trucks. If you have a dimly lit area to work on, you'll find the magnet base 160-degree rotating axis will help you position the light to exactly where you need it. These lights are powered by a dual lithium-ion battery setup, giving you 3 hours of runtime on high or 6 hours on low. When you need to charge the light, simply plug in the USB-C cable. These lights also have an IP54 splash-proof rating, protecting them against workshop dirt, grime and fluids. Whether dealing with engine leaks, dirty four-wheel drive undercarriages or greasy engine bays, these lights keep working. If you're in need of a versatile and quality work light, be sure to pick up the Renegade Industrial 1600 Lumen under bonnet work light today. They are available in-store and online at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly serious savings email to get all the best deals.